The Duchess of Edinburgh looked stunning in snakeskin print today as she went to visit an outdoor therapy centre in Salisbury. Sophie, 58, cut a chic figure as she sported an elegant floaty snakeskin dress for the occasion, which she paired with a silver medallion-style necklace. She paired the animal print frock with a crisp, white blazer and a beige snakeskin clutch bag. The royal looked effortlessly stylish in simple gold hoops and chose to wear brown espadrilles. Goole Outdoor Therapy and Activity Center is a registered charity which claims to provide therapeutic activities in an outdoor setting. Coming from humble beginnings, the center was founded in 2003 by a small church community. Goole offers help to anyone who is facing challenges in their life, and urges those who feel like they could benefit from being outdoors to contact them. The royal opted for natural makeup, wearing just a hint of mascara, lipstick and eyeshadow. She wore her blow-dried blonde tresses down, and they sat just below her shoulder. Just like her late mother-in-law, the Queen, Sophie took a shine to the horses at the activity center. Prince Edward's wife was very close to Queen Elizabeth II, and was known as one of her closest confidants. The royal family are known for the love of horses, in particular the late Queen, Princess Anne and Zara Tindall. In recent years, Sophie, who was a rock for the Queen, took up horse riding as a hobby in order to bond with the Queen. Speaking in 2021, one friend said, "Sophie set herself a series of tasks. She learned how to ride properly and now rides with the Queen at least once a week." She took up carriage driving to be close to Philip, they added. She was pictured stroking and talking to a couple of different horses and ponies with a large smile on her face. The mother of one was also snapped laughing and talking with children who were taking part in outdoor activities. As per the official royal website, the Sophie likes to support young people and children in need of additional care. While in Salisbury, the Duchess popped into stable and Wick bakery and farm shop and shopped around whilst chatting to members of staff. Some of the charity's core activities include horse riding, animal therapy, stable management and other associated tasks. Those who attend Goole usually do stay for at least one academic term, and people can stay for as little as 15 minutes to multiple days at a time. The Duchess looked in high spirits as she was guided around the large open space by members of the charity. She seemed to be enjoying her flying visit to the therapy center, as she was pictured taking in the greenery around her. It also seems that Sophie is a lover of animals, as after the coronation of King Charles and Queen Camilla in May, she took part in a class at Guide Dogs for the Blind Association Training Center in Reading. She attended with her husband, Prince Edward, Duke of Edinburgh, and she is patron of the Guide Dogs for the Blind Association. Sweet images showed her stroking and walking the dogs, Labradors and Golden Retrievers, and one even gave the Duchess a smooch on the cheek. More recently, Sophie appeared relaxed as she attended the Cornbury House International Horse Trials on the anniversary of the late Queen's passing last week. Sophie and the Queen formed close bond after losing her own mother, Mary Rees-Jones, to stomach cancer in 2005, aged 71, when her daughter Lady Louise Windsor was only 2. Sophie took to the Cornbury House Trials just one day after her niece by marriage, Zara Tindall, 42, competed in the cross-country part of the competition.